Namaste JVNs. I JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, University. Today, I will discuss about the topic Targeted Drug Delivery System. Targeted Drug Delivery System is very important. So, in Targeted Drug Delivery System, first one is introduction. Ideal characteristic of targeted drug delivery system and advantage of targeted drug delivery system. Disadvantage of targeted drug delivery system, carriers or markers, and strategies of drug targeting, and types of targeted drug delivery system. So there are all content included in targeted drug delivery system. Firstly, we discuss the introduction. Targeted drug delivery system is a special form of drug delivery system where the medicament is selectively targeted or delivered only to its site of action or absorption and not to the non-target organs or tissues or cells. It is method of delivering medication to a patient in a manner that decreases the concentration of medication in some parts of the body relative to others. Targeted drug delivery seeks to concentrate the medication in the tissue of interest while reducing the relative concentration of medication in the remaining tissues. This improves efficacy and reduces side effects. So the target may be delivered to the capillary bed of the active sites, to the specific type of cell or even an intracellular region. Example, tumor cell but not to normal cells. To a specific organ or tissues by complexion with the carrier that recognizes the target. Objective is to achieve a desired pharmacological response at a selected sites without undesirable interaction at other sites, and thereby the drug have a specific action with minimum side effect and better therapeutic index. So example is in cancer chemotherapy and enzyme replacement therapy. Reason for drug targeting. In the treatment of prevention or disease and pharmaceutical drug instability in a conventional dosage form, solubility and biopharmaceutical low absorption and high membrane bounding, biological instability and pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic, short half-life, large volume of distribution and low specificity and clinical low therapeutic index. So this is the flow diagram of the need to target drug delivery. Firstly, the pharmaceutical reason is divided into two categories. First one is drug instability and second is low solubility. So the need of targeted drug delivery is based on the pharmacokinetic reason and pharmacodynamic reason. So pharmacokinetic reason is poor absorption and short half-life and large volume of distribution. So the pharmacodynamic reason is low specificity and low therapeutic index. So the ideal characteristics, it should be non-toxic and biocompatible, biodegradable and physicochemical stable and in vivo and in vitro. So restrict drug distribution to target cells or tissues or organs and should have uniform capillary distribution, controllable and predicate rate of drug release dose, not affect the drug action and therapeutic amount of drug release and minimal drug leakage during transit. So carriers used must be biodegradable or readily eliminated from the body without any problem and no carrier induced modulation of disease state. The preparation of the delivery system should be easy or reasonably simple and reproductive and cost effective. So the advantage is drug administration protocols may be simplified and toxicity is reduced by delivering a drug to its target site, thereby reducing harmful systemic effects. Drugs can be administered in a smaller dose to produce the desired effect. So the avoidance of hepatic first-pass metabolism, enhancement of the absorption of target molecules such as peptides and particulates. So dose is less compared to conventional drug delivery system and no peak and valley plasma concentration. So selective targeting to infections cells that compared to normal cells. And disadvantage is rapid clearance of target system and immune reactions against intravenous administered carrier system and insufficient localization of targeted system into tumor cells. So diffusion and redistribution of released drugs require highly sophisticated for the formulation, requires skill for manufacturing, storage, and administration, and drug deposition at the target site may produce toxicity symptoms. Difficult to maintain stability of doses formed and released erythrocytes have to store 4 degrees centigrade. So this is the complete session of targeted drug delivery system. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving. Thank you and thank you for the listening.